4 years ago, the European Union and UNESCO made a strong commitment to support Iraq. Now, 4 years later, we would like to share with you what we have achieved and to celebrate that together with you.
Aujourd'hui, on a une opportunité unique avec ce projet phare de l'UNESCO de redonner l'espoir d'une communauté, d'un pays, d'une identité dans une région pour voir comment cela aussi peut briller pour d'autres régions du monde qui ont souffert des atrocités comme celles qui ont été commises en Irak.
To be able to complete the projects in Mosul and Basra would send a message to the whole world that what terrorism destroyed can be rebuilt with cooperation and solidarity.
We are built on this same principle, respect for cultural diversity. We understand the bond of national identity and the power of inclusive citizenship, and that's what we are there to support.
We are entering the initiative's final year, and we look forward to the announcement of the completion of the 3 sites, which we hope will serve as a reminder that the determination for life will always win when people come together.
We work hand in hand every day, of course, with the Ministry of Culture, with the people in the Department of Archaeology and Antiquities. Everything we do is together, and it's been a very, very important effort. And never one day there has been a doubt on whether we are going to continue doing this together. And for us, it's very important.
Liwan